Systems Madurai, Mrs. Lakshmi Shinde, and Sri Yashwanta Savji, and all respectable dignitaries and dear friends. Myopia is the most common ocular condition in children and young adults in India and worldwide. But particularly in the COVID period, in the majority houses when school was closed, the majority children was using the iPhones, and every time you listening some stories and other thing, and this has become a common habit to the small children. But actually, because of that, the side effect which is for their eyes is very, very dangerous. And this is the time for the country, for the society, that we should create awareness in the mind of the people about this. Actually, Mrs. Shinde was giving the reference of road accident. It is absolute that majority accidents, it happens because of there was some problem in the eyesight of the driver. Majority drivers, they are facing the problem for cataract. And these are the reason that we are facing crucial accidents. In India, every year we have 5 lakhs accidents and 1,50,000 deaths. And here is one of the problem that because we are facing it is because of the problem in the eyesight of the driver. I also faced a big accident when I was when a leader of opposition in Maharashtra with police protection because of my driver on red light car. He was facing the problem of cataract. So these are the very, very important and crucial issues that we need to educate the people. And particularly as per the life of the students, particularly small children is concerned, it is very important because majority of people, they don't know what are the effects of all these habits which are already here in the children, which are creating problem for their eyesight. And this is the really a time for all of us to educate the people and create awareness in the mind of the people regarding this problem. I am really happy that the group of eminent doctors, particularly those who are expert in this subject, are taking initiative to create awareness in the mind of the people. Actually, one of the things which is absolutely clear that after facing any disease or problem, we are taking lot of medical treatment. But if it can be possible to prevent that disease by taking preventive measures, it can be a great thing for the life of the common man. And this is the most important thing that we need to create awareness in the mind of the people. One thing is very clear that as far as the awareness is concerned, people are not very much alert and they don't have the awareness particularly related with this problem. I will suggest you that if you can start some camps in the schools and taking checkup of the eyesight checkup of the small children, then you can advise them and it can be appropriate for giving them correct guidance at the appropriate time. So I really happy that Mr. Sauji has taken initiative to create awareness in the mind of the people. Also from the government side, we will try to interact with the people related with the education field, particularly the principal and highest official level people related with the education department, that how it can be possible to you can start some type of medical checkup camps for small children, and where if the problems are there on a preliminary level, where we can guide them and we can help them when we can give them appropriate medicines. So this is the need of the hour, and after COVID, the society is also facing a lot of problems. So I really happy that the people, eminent people like you, taking initiative in the social interest for making awareness in the mind of the people, particularly to create awareness in the as far as the problem related with the children are concerned. So this is really a great thing. I am giving my thanks to all of you for taking this initiative, and I will promise you that from the government side, from the society side, I will support this campaign. I will try to organize and try to tell to the education institution to organize the camps by which we can save the life of the children, future life. It can be really a great thing for the country. I am giving my special thanks to all of you. Once again, It's a really a great thing which you are doing. It indicates your social consciousness, social responsibility, and social awareness. I am always talking to people that manasa satatam smaraniyam, vachasa satatam vadaniyam, lokahitam mama karaniyam. Every successful doctor, successful lawyer, successful teacher, successful social worker, successful politician, everywhere we need social consciousness. And I am always telling to the people that the politics is the instrument of socio-economic reform. So exactly the people who are socially, economically, educationally backward, and at the same time who can't understand the problem related with their future regarding the health also, it is the time for the society, for the responsible citizen like you, to educate them, to create awareness in their mind and to save their life. So it can be a great thing for our national reconstruction, and it's really going to be useful for a socio-economic transformation, and it's really indicating the social consciousness, social responsibility of the people like you. I'm giving my special thanks to you. I will support this campaign, and whatever the help which I can be possible for me, I will try to help for this campaign. Once again, I support it, and I giving my all best wishes to all stakeholders and all of you. Thank you very much. Namaskar.